50-year-old. Pretty good going, isn't it?
Could do a bit tighter next time, eh?
We're here today because all our steam plant has been decommissioned. My dad done all these terminations all those years ago, so I thought it'd be absolutely great for him to be involved into the disconnection of them, and for Maxim as well to see, what was done in years gone by.
It's a while since I've been here.
So what does it feel like to see that after all these years and Maxim doing it?
50 years from now. Still hasn't blown up.
No, not yet.